Welcome back to Learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you an alternative for the Smooth tool. So this is part 2. In the first part I've shown you the Nodes tool, but we can also use the Tweak tool. Make sure that you've got your line or whatever object you've got selected, so you need to have the bounding box and then activate the Tweak tool. There are basically 4 icons that are for paths, and we want to have the third one, so this one, attract parts of paths towards cursor. Make sure that this is active, and under width you can adjust the width of this circle, so the area that is affected. Keep the force at 50 and the fidelity at 10. And once you've clicked, you can see that it connects the path, so that's one issue we have to deal with. But you can go over the line and then smoothen it all out like this. So instead of edgy zigzag lines, we now have a wave. And at the bottom we need to use the Nodes tool. Just select the bottom anchor points like this. And then use this function in the top, so break path at selected nodes. You can select them again and then delete them via the delete key. And now you have this wave line instead of a zigzag line, and it's not connected. So a good idea is to combine the methods that I've shown you in these 2 videos. So the first one with the Nodes tool, where you smooth your selected nodes like this, so that you have the handles and can adjust manually. But it's also worth a try to just use the Tweak tool like I did here. And this is an alternative for the Smooth tool that you can find in Inkscape. I hope this video was helpful, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.